The train track's shadow. A quiet Japanese town at night. The moon casts an eerie glow over abandoned train tracks. A boy, 12 years old, walks home alone, looking at his phone. He stops at the train crossing, waiting for an invisible train that never comes. A strange sound echoes from the dark tunnel ahead. The boy turns his head slowly. A pale figure crawls out of the shadows. A girl with no lower body, dragging herself forward on her hands. Her eyes glow red. Her bony fingers scratch the ground as she moves. The boy stumbles backward, dropping his phone. The sound gets faster. The boy stumbles backward, dropping his phone. The sound gets faster. She sprints on her hands, faster than any human should move. The boy tries to run, but suddenly, a flash of white light, a silent scream. Next morning, the train crossing is quiet. A single phone lies cracked on the ground. A shadowy figure in the tunnel vanishes into the darkness.